Trig dog. You cannot. Oh, he loves his yummy foods. Let's stick his face in it. Trig. Trigger. What are you doing, Trig? Are you licking the can of Yum Yums? Can of Yum Yums? Come here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I love you. Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much. Oh, just wanting for me. Oh, the smiles. Oh, the smiles. I love the smiles. Did you have some yummy dog food? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yummy, yummy dog food for my babies. You are my babies. Dun 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 dun. You are my babies, babies. I will eat your ear because you love that. You really love that. You're my cutie bear. What? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, why are you whining? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, Trig? What do you want? Trigger, what do you want? What do you want? Use your words. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, babies. Oh, babies. Oh, I'll go back to the can, you fuzzy butt. No, yeah, it's his. He claims. He says, this is mine. This is mine. I will stick my face in it if I want to. There no more, Trig. You already ate it. Come here. Come here, you doofus. You are so doofus. You are so doofus. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What did I have to do? I had to print out the new recycling. Because Lucian ate the one off my refrigerator. And I need to have it posted on what is recyclable and what is not recyclable. Right, Triggs? Because I am recyclable friendly. And we care about the environment. Yes, we do. Hey, Triggs. Trigger. Trigger. I love you. Oh, look at the face. Look at the face. I love you. I love you, baby. Okay, Mama's gonna go now. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. No, you don't want to say bye? What does that even? What are you? Why are you giving that look? Trigger. Say bye. Say bye. Come on. Oh. Good boy. Say bye. Say bye. Good boys. Bye, babies.